This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable enhanced pointer precision in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable the enhanced pointer precision, also known as mouse acceleration, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on my start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Mouse and click on Mouse. And then right up top here, for me it's the third thing down, Enhance Pointer Precision. By default, yours is probably toggled on like you see mine is. To turn it off, you would just toggle this off, and to enable it, you would toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable the enhanced pointer precision in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.